Hi, I'm Jesse with Mastercam. In this video, I want to show you some of the changes that have been made to hole making in Mastercam 2020. In previous versions of Mastercam, programming multi-axis drilling and circle milling operations was done in a different interface than 2D drilling and circle milling. Starting in Mastercam 2020, the multi-axis and 2D interfaces have been combined. Here we have a 3-axis drilling operation that's center drilling 3 separate holes. Due to machine and travel limitations, I know that I'm going to need to drill this topmost hole from the other side of the part. Before Mastercam 2020, this would mean creating another toolpath with a different tool plane on the backside of the part, or deleting this toolpath completely and creating a new 5-axis toolpath instead. With the consolidations that have been made to the hole-making interfaces, I can now easily convert this drilling operation into a multi-axis operation by going to the Tool Axis Control page and selecting 5-axis. On the Planes page, I want to make sure that my WCS, tool, and construction planes are all set to top. Now all I need to do is tell the toolpath which direction to drill the holes from. In 3-axis, the direction that Mastercam drills the holes from is controlled by the tool plane that's selected. But now that I've changed this to a 5-axis toolpath, I need to tell Mastercam what direction to drill the holes from. To do this, I need to go to the Toolpath Type page and relaunch the selection dialog. Each of my selected holes now displays a green arrow which clearly shows me which direction the holes will be drilled from. To change the direction, all I have to do is click the green arrow. Now let's regenerate the toolpath and take a look at it in Backlog. The 3 holes are being drilled from the directions that I need, but there is one issue. When the tool moves from the first hole to the second hole, it's moving directly from one point to the next, gouging the part. This would cause a crash at the machine if we were to try and run this code. This is a perfect example that shows you why you should always review your toolpaths in Backplot or simulation before posting them out. For this toolpath, what we want to do is retract to a safe distance, reposition, and then drill the next hole. To do this, I need to reopen the toolpath parameters, and under linking parameters, I need to make some changes to the safety zone page. If you're new to multi-axis programming, a safety zone is an area you can specify where Mastercam will not perform any linking moves. Instead, the tool will retract out past the edge of the safety zone, and only then will the linking move reposition the tool for the next cut. Once safety zone is turned on, I can click Define Shape, and in the graphics window, I'm going to select the part itself. I could also select my vise or any fixturing if I wanted to, but for this operation, it isn't needed. The safety zone is displayed around my part, and I can click on any of the faces to adjust them as needed. This is very similar to using the bounding box feature in Mastercam, which you may be familiar with. Let's save these changes, regenerate the toolpath, and take another look at it in Backplot. With just a few additional settings in the exact same interface, we were able to easily convert a 3-axis drilling operation into a multi-axis operation that drills the holes from the sides we need, safely links between the 2 sides of the part, and is ready to start making chips.